Hello gorgeous, I am going to show you how I organize my scrapbooking supplies with the Power Project folders. These come in a pack of 4 and they're $20 for the pack, so each one is just $5 and it is well worth it, and I will show you why. So you can use these to write the name of the collection on and then put it in the tab so you can see the names of the collections as you are sorting through your supplies. But I do something a little different. I will show you that in the end. So first we're going to add our paper. I'm going to go ahead and do the Christmas Spirit collection because I just got that, and if you haven't already, you can watch my unboxing video of the Christmas Spirit collection where you get to see all the embellishments, stickers, and papers in detail. This just comes with 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided paper, and I love all these really pretty designs. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the big part of my Power Project folder. These expand a lot, so you could fit a good ½ inch of paper here, maybe even an inch of paper. It really, really expands. They're really durable and strong and sturdy, and they protect my paper from getting bent or creased or folded or warped, or sometimes if you stand paper up for long periods of time, you get one kind of long warp thing going, like a roll almost, but not here. The Power Project folders are so awesome. And I have the Christmas Spirit embellishments that actually I'm going to leave them in the package. You can put them loose in here, but I like to leave them in the package because when I go to work on my albums, I want to just pull out this whole thing instead of digging out each little embellishment and the little tiny ones that get to the bottom and now you're digging. So this, I'm just going to stick right in. The stickers are different. The stickers, I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package because they're pretty easy to grab out of my Power Project folder, and those are just going to go right here. Okay, now I have my variety map pack, and that is going to go right here. And if I had any other borders or embellishments or stickers, I have more pockets in the back, and we do. We have the laser cut borders for Christmas Spirit, and as like the embellishments, I'm going to leave them in the package because there's some delicate pieces and I don't want them to, I just like that they're protected in here, so I'm going to go ahead and leave them in their packaging. So when I go to work, I can pull them right out, just like the embellishments. So now instead of the labels that come with the Power Project folders, they're fine. They're really great actually. They're really heavy duty cardstock and they're perforated, so you just tear them apart. You write Christmas Spirit Collection, and you have the option of having it filed on the left, the middle, or the right. I have a system that I like to use where I take the image off of creativememories.com of the collection and I put it into a template that I have created and I cut it out. And so I end up with the Christmas Spirit collection. This is what was used on the website and it's a little bit narrower to fit in the Power Project folder. They're a little bit taller like that, but I just cut what I need. And so when I'm looking at my Power Project folder, I get the sense and the idea of the colors and the elements in this collection, not only the name Christmas Spirit, but the colors and the style of this collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right in the middle here. I have mine all different Instead of all the middle or all the right or all the left, I have them sort of staggered so I can really see them. And what I do is I have a bin, which I need to make a new video. I have it in my old organizing video of how I organize my scrapbook stuff. I'm going to make a new video, but it's still the same. I have a bin that holds all my collections inside my Power Project folders. So they're organized. Sometimes I keep them by season. Sometimes they're just in there. It doesn't really matter because I can really see. And then I just pull out the one I want to work on, and I can put it back, and everything stays nice and neat and orderly that way. So that is how I do all my collections and all my scrapbooking paper, stickers, and embellishments. I keep them neat and organized and protected. These are well worth the $20 a pack. I promise. Every time you order your collections, pick up some Power Project folders to go with your collections, and you will be really happy that you did. Thanks for watching.